I have an unfortunate dilemma. I have an extremely high energy dog, and when I try and get work done, he's always right in my face. Trying to keep him busy can be a problem, but he likes to put his ball underneath furniture and then try and get it out. It's like a puzzle for him. The problem is he can't always get the ball out by himself. It keeps him busy for a little while, then he gets frustrated and he turns around and looks at me to get his ball out and starts whining, and I can't get anything done. So I have to get up, go over, lay down on the ground, crawl down, try and fish the ball out from wherever it is, because I'm the only one with posable thumbs. So what I need to do is come up with something where it'll block the ball from getting in there, but it'll still give him something to do, kind of a puzzle type thing. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm measuring to see how big I need to make this thing. And now that I have everything measured, I take it over to the radial arm saw and I slice it out to length. After I have everything cut to length, it's time to take it to the table saw and rip everything down to the proper height. I then had to take and measure the ball and then transfer those measurements over to my board. Now that it looks like everything fits properly, I can't just leave this big cavity in there because then it's going to be just as bad as it was before, so I'm going to have to make a channel. But I don't want it too deep because I want the dog to be able to reach in there and get the ball out without my help, but I still want it to be challenging for him. And now it's time to nail everything together. One little trick you'll learn, you can't really see it too good here, but I number all of the boards so that when it comes time to put it together to nail it, I don't have to guess and then put the wrong board in the wrong spot. Everything has a nice place and I just have to put the numbers together and nail it together. By the way, you see this nail gun I'm using? I got that for free. It's almost brand new. Someone died and they gave me the person's nail gun. I actually have a video out explaining how you get free or really cheap tools, and I will leave that link in the description below, or if you want to wait till the end of the video, I'll leave it at the end card at the end of the video. Now if you'll notice, I'm keeping my fingers back from the nail gun here. When I was a younger dude, I got a nail gun when they first came out, little brad nailer, and was holding on to the wood, making sure everything was tight, hit the button, and the nail hit a hard spot in the wood and veered off, went right into my finger. That does not feel wonderful, so make sure you keep your fingers away. Make sure you always know where your hands are when you're using one of these nail guns. All you got to do is throw it in there, see if it fits, and luckily enough, it fits just fine. And you can see the ball fits just fine in there. I'm going to put it in there so the dog knows where to find it. You can see him sniffing it out, and now he sees it. And you can see he can get it out by himself without me having to go and grab it for him. That's the important thing. Plus, it's still a challenge for him. Hopefully, they'll keep him occupied for a few minutes anyway. You feel better now? Okay.
End.